How to enable call recording on your iPhone. To enable this feature in your iPhone device, first of all go through your settings and then hit on the general and make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Now if it is updated, then go back to the general and hit on the VPN and make sure that no VPN is connected in your device. Now again go back to the settings and hit on the iPhone. If you have higher than 15, then you will see call recording option here. Just toggle it on and use it. If you don't see that option, then go through your app store and on the searching bar search for call recorder. Hit on that and get any of the application and use it on your phone call. In this way you can use call recording on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.